Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's episode brought to you by your host, Debo Knows. In this week's episode, we will be talking about Drupal CMS. Drupal is the most complex and most expensive CMS that we've discussed in any of my videos so far. Drupal can be used by large businesses and organizations who need a CMS to handle large amounts of web pages and functions. And Drupal can handle all this because of its flexibility, complexity, and its database storage. So for this week's lab, I had to create a Drupal website that is an education planning website where you can go and see your class schedule, see everything about the specific courses, professors, and classrooms. So here, if we go to, so this is the schedule, right here. And then say we want to go see what SCM 404 is all about, come to here. This tells you, the name, faculty name, location, course descriptions, number of credits. And the key here is to link everything within the website together. So, we have this course, but if you want to know more about the professor, you can click on, Robert Novak, comes through, gives you his photo and his contact info. And if you wanted to know where the location of it is, just hit location. Tells you where it is on campus, the time period for this class specifically, and, the building and the room number. So today I will demonstrate how to create content types and how to add fields for those content types. So we're going to come to here. You go to structure at first, and then you hit. You're going to hit content types right here. All right. So we're going to hit add a new content type. And, another common thing is fraternities at college campuses. So we're going to go to fraternity, label it right here, fraternity. And then just for the sake of this video, we're going to keep all this other stuff the same. But, for increased customization, you can go through and change some of these things to manage the content type. So we're going to hit save and manage fields. And then we're going to add a specific field. So let's go. We're going to add the name of the fraternity. So that's like going to be a question that it asks when you go to create a specific content for a fraternity. So you're going to go here, hit plain. Let's do frat name. Hit save and continue. And make this 100. So that means that you can only put in a maximum of 100 characters, which makes sense, and limit it to 1. And we're going to keep all this the same as well. So to show some of the complexity, just a little bit, we're going to also show like how to create a link as a necessary field for this content. So do frat location, hit save and continue. Frat location. Save field settings here. And then keep all this stuff the same as well. So now we're going to go in and create a specific instance of this content type. So we're going to go to content. We're going to hit add content. Come down to this fraternity tab that we just made. And now everything pops up. So we created this field frat name. So you have to put something in, and then we also put in the frat location as well. So we're going to do tau epsilon phi tab. And then I already had the URL for this saved. This takes you to the Google Maps of 429 East Hamilton Avenue. Then we hit save. And then everything pops up. And then this should go right to the Google Maps, and there it is right here. So that just shows you how to create a content type and then populate and then create fields for that content type and then how to populate that content type as well. So if you are interested in learning more about Drupal and what it has to offer, you can visit their website at Drupal.org. They have a lot of information about Drupal, obviously, on their website. I'd like to thank you guys all for watching this week's episode, and I hope to see all of you guys here back next week. Thank you.